Hello everyone, welcome back to Yonon, and today in this video I will be explaining that how to fix Ethernet unidentified network problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So whenever you are trying to connect your Ethernet connection and you get an error message of unidentified network. So let's move with the solution, and the very first thing that you should try is running the network troubleshooter on your Windows 10 or 11. So in the search box type troubleshoot, and from the suggestion you have to choose troubleshoot setting. The troubleshoot option will be up, and below that you will find here additional troubleshooter. Now click on it, and the very first option that you will find to be internet connection. Now click on it, internet connection, then run the troubleshooter. Now this will start detecting the problem, and if there are any kind of issue, it will let you know, or probably it will automatically fix it. So follow the introduction according to, and in case if you get the same message like me, then you can close it now, and you can run another troubleshooter for the network adapter. Now click on network adapter, then run the troubleshooter, and this will now ask you that what kind of connection you want to troubleshoot. So you have to choose your Ethernet, then click on next. Again this will start detecting the problem. If it will find any problem, then it will let you know, or else you will be getting the same message. So after running the troubleshooter, just follow the introduction given by the troubleshooter, and once you are done, check back if this fix your problem or not, and if it's not, then you have to try updating your network adapter. Just make a right click on your Windows icon and choose device manager. Once a device manager will be up, here you have to look for network adapters. Now double click on it, and then you have to look for your Ethernet. So the Ethernet probably starts with the Realty's PCI GB family controller, something like this. So you have to look for this. Now make a right click on it, then choose update driver. Next click on search automatically for drivers. So if there are any update available, it will automatically update, and if not, then you will get the same message. So if you get the update and it will get update now, you can check back that if they fix your problem or not. If it's not, then you can also try uninstalling it. Just make a right click on it and choose uninstall device, then click on uninstall. So once you type that, your Ethernet driver will be uninstalled. After that you need to make a restart, and this driver will be automatically reinstalled, so that will be the fresh and at the updated version. So after restarting, check that if your issue has been resolved or not, and if it is still not, then no need to worry, you have to couple of more solution. Just click on your search box again, and this time type cmd, then click on the run as administrator. Then a black window will be coming up. Here we have to run a few of commands that you will be getting the description. You can copy and the command and paste it in the black box. So the first command will be netsh int ip reset c colon / reset log.txt. Once you have typed that, then hit enter. You don't have to manually type that. I will be put this command in the description. So once you hit enter, it will ask you to restart the computer, but we have to go with another command that will be again type netsh winsock reset. So all this command you will be getting in the description, and once you type that, just hit enter. Then we have to finally go with the last command, that is ipconfig /+dns. Now we hit enter. So all those commands that you will be getting in the description, you need to run one by one, and once done, finally make a restart and check back that if the problem has been fixed or not. I'm pretty sure that this will fixing your problem. But in case if it is not working for you, the last thing that you also can try is enabling and disabling the network adapter. So close everything and click on your search box and type here ncpa.cpl. Then click on ncpa cpl control panel item. Here you will see all the network connection. Network adapter you have to look for the Ethernet. Now make a right click on it and go with disable. So once disabling it, it will be grayed out. So wait for few seconds. Again we have to right click on it and this time choose enable. After this we will again try to reconnect and I am pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. So that's all guys, hopefully all this solution will work for you. If you enjoy the video, then click like and subscribe this channel. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.